Hi everyone, I'm glad to have you join me on my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Onyere. Today, I'm going to show you how to modify your Canva design and restore the old design you so wish to have. So, open your Canva app. When you open your Canva app, you need internet connection to do this. So, once you're done opening your app and it's loaded, you see this place that is your recent designs. You can click on see all to see all your designs. But once you get the particular design, just click on it, open it as if you want to edit it or something like that. So just allow the design to load and every element come up. Once it's loaded, you just have to click on these three dots up here. When you click on the three dots up here, click on version history. So when you click on version history, you can see the first time I created this design and all the modification and the times the modifications were done. So you can click on anyone, like this one 652, it was created. You can click on this one 640, anyone you want to click on. You can click on another one, it was created 635. So if you want this particular version, you can click on restore version. So is as simple as this. Just click on the designs and click on restore version if that is the one you want. If you don't want it, just use the arrow to exit it and check out other ones. So there might be something or you just mistakenly lost out on that design and you want to restore it back. Like Canva has that history backed up for you, and this feature can only be enjoyed by Canva Pro users. So it doesn't cost much to be a Canva Pro user. So if you can just successfully restore, you can see I restored this one from 635. If you don't like it, you can still click on undo to get back the one you saved, like your most current design that you saved. It's as simple as this. Like there are no hard details about it. So I want you to tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this feature? Comment, like this video, share to your contacts, and that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you some other time with another great video.